This is how we at Midas Glass Contractor Singapore expertly perform our shower screen installation process. Step 1. Prepare and measure the installation area. Our team will prepare and measure the installation area to ensure the level and stability where the shower screen will be installed. Step 2. Drill the holes. Carefully drill the holes into the walls, ensuring each hole is level and aligned for the shower screen brackets. Step 3. Attach the brackets. Firmly secure the mounting brackets to the wall using the appropriate screws and wall plugs so they are tightened properly to support the full weight of the shower screen. Step 4. Install the shower screen. The shower screen will be thoroughly installed, ensuring that the panels are aligned correctly and firmly secured. Step 5. Apply silicone sealant. Apply silicone sealant along the edges to the shower screen walls or shower tray to prevent water leakages. Step 6. Cleaning and inspection. The newly installed shower screen will be cleaned and inspected to ensure proper alignment, full sealing, and smooth operation, with no dust remaining, leaving a polished and professional finish. Check out the difference before and after our shower screen installation. Do you need expert shower screen installation services in Singapore? WhatsApp us at 82410032.